morning, students. Today we are going to discuss our new poem, Why. In this poem, Why is an insight into the mind of a little boy. All children are curious to know reasons for everything happening around them. Now let's read the poem, Why. I knew it. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why by the why? In this stanza, poets say that he knew a little boy who is curious, always asking questions about anything and everything. He is very anxious and eager to know something about everything. He keeps on asking why this, why that, why now, why not, and other similar questions about everything he comes across. Okay? Next stanza. He wants to know why wood should swing, why lead and marble sing, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. Let's read again. He wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sink, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. In this stanza, the poet is describing the types of questions which the boy asked. He asked different questions like why does wood swim in the water? Okay. Why lead and marble sink in it? These questions show that he was a very strong imagination and he has good observation skills also. He wants to know what makes the cloud and why they cross the sky. Why sinks the sun behind the hills? And why the flowers die? In this stanza, poet gives some more example of the question asked by the little boy. He says that the boy wants to know what are the clouds made up of and why do they move up in the sky unlike all the other things that move on the ground. He also wants to know why is sunset the sun disappeared behind the hills and what is the reason that the pretty flowers in the garden died all of a sudden. Last stanza. Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you'll try. Others no one ever yet has found the reason why. Let's read again. Some of these why are not too hard to answer if you will try. Others no one ever yet has found the reason why. In this stanza, poet want to say that Some of these questions asked by the little boy are not difficult to answer. We just need to think a little about it and can satisfy the child curiosity. Okay. This poem is all about a little boy who asked many questions about why not, why this, why that, why now, like this. Okay. New words are curious, CURIOUS, curious. Lead, LEAD. Marble, MARBLE, marble. Sink, SINK, sink. Next, reason, REASON, reason. Here you can see a little boy with a little girl. Okay. All children are curious to know reasons for everything happening around them. I hope you all understand this poem.